Hello people, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. How's your weekend? I hope you're all good. Yeah, this is the Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem Reunion Show 2020. This is day 5 of the show. I'll be bringing you the highlights and the major talk that occurred on the show last night. The fifth night of the Big Brother Naija 2020 reunion show was a bomb that Ella could not withstand but had to walk out of the show in tears. You would have thought the introduction of today's episode of the show by Ebuka would have been enough to prepare the minds of the viewers about what to expect, but it was definitely more than expectations. Yesterday's show started exactly on 10 p.m. on the dot. The housemates, as usual, were looking glamorous in their beautiful attires. The housemates present in the show were Mercy, Venita, Jeff, Ella, Diane, Kimopra, Joe and Ike. Jeff and Ike were later replaced by Jackie and Sadi. The drama that unfolded yesterday was hinged on betrayal, disloyalty, pretense that were exhibited by the housemates in the past concluded Pepper Dem edition. Ebuka, the show host, started by telling the housemates that they were all betrayers, which made the housemates to guffaw heartedly. Kimopra jokingly asked for some clips about betrayal in the house to be previewed. Ebuka started by playing a clip of Mercy ranting about what Kafi told her Venita said. According to Kafi, Venita said that Mercy had told Big Brother to punish Venita's group. Mercy felt awkward. Venita was her good friend and she, Mercy, can never put her friends up. They are however cool now and get along with each other well. Venita however pointed out that Ike had told Mercy that she fancied him. Mercy wasn't happy because she wasn't going to share Ike with anybody. When Ike failed to use his veto power to save Venita, but rather saved Omashola for preferring his coin, she, Venita, was unhappy. Mercy later had to put her up for eviction because of Ike. Mercy confirmed she had to put her up for eviction to protect Ike. "He wanted me and my man," Mercy to Ella. Ella, when asked whom she felt betrayed by her the most in the house, she mentioned Mercy Lambo. She didn't believe Mercy Lambo could join others to nominate and put her up for eviction. Mercy interjected. She explained that she did what she did because Ella wanted to be her friend and also a friend of Ike. She believed Ella seriously wanted something deep with Ike, while it was obvious it's her that Ike wanted. Mercy maintained that Ella wanted to eat her cake and have it. She had to stop her. Ella admitted loving Ike as he was all over the place, but she also connected genuinely with Mercy Lambo. The duo of Mercy Lambo and Kafi are the two persons she connected with in the house before she was evicted. Ella said she didn't fully understand Ike at first but had to recoil into her shell when she discovered that both Mercy Lambo and Ike were an item. Mercy Lambo cut her short, insisting that Ella wanted to have her Mercy as a girl and also Ike as a man simultaneously. But she wouldn't let that happen. There was a little bickering before Ebuka called them to order. Ebuka, sensing hurt in Ella's voice, asked Ike to defend himself. All this while, he has been nodding and tickering like an Agama lizard, feeling fly because he was the center of discussion. Ike said he was used to ladies fighting over him. This relaxed the already tense house as everybody laughed out. Ike explained that he has been on Mercy's case even before they came into the house. They had met at the auditions. However, Mercy told him to experiment and have fun since she was hesitant about the whole relationship initially. She had to check out Ella because she is amazing, entertaining and a powerful vocalist too. To Mercy, she was his everything, and to Ella, he was just leading her on, playing games with her feelings. Ella wouldn't have any of this as she blurted out, "You're stupid, you're very stupid, Ike." Ebuka felt that Ike's role was mischievous and would definitely hurt Ella. Ike added that Ella wasn't predictable as her emotions were switching up and down. Ella was mad at Ike and told him that he didn't care. There was an interlude after which the show was joined by two extra housemates, Jackie and Sadi. Jackie, however, mentioned that Kaffi personally to her was the biggest pretender while they were both in the house. Recall that both Jackie and Kaffi had gossiped that Mercy had some butt lifts before coming for the show. Jackie apologized over that, insisting that she saw nothing wrong with Mercy's body enhancement, but was only led astray by Kaffi. Kim Oprah told her she didn't do well as she enabled the gossip since both of them actually discussed Mercy at her back despite being Mercy's pal. Ella sold stories, pulled publicity stunts, and after we left the house, Venita says. Venita was blunt and rude when Ebuka asked her about how close she was to Ella. Venita said Ella was deceitful, untruthful when they left the house, especially with her mom's emergency. Venita went on a ranting spree about how Ella made them look invincible and wicked over her condition. At first, they had expected her to open up to them as a group, since all of the housemates were in a WhatsApp group created by Joe. However, Ella disdained them and took her emergency to the public, who believed that her people, BB Naija housemates, couldn't assist her. According to her, Ella, she pulled a publicity stunt which damaged the reputation of the housemates. In fact, all the housemates were angry with Ella for deciding to overlook them and going out to the public to solicit for funds while they could have been of help first. The most infuriating aspect of it was that Ella, after getting the funds she needed, switched off on them. Venita and other housemates were livid. Venita, who kept on asking God to forgive her if she had misconstrued Ella, said that Ella had probably lied with her mom's malady. She said so because Ella had to release the single the next day at the beachside with her face fully bedecked with makeup. Venita was like, if her mom were to be in such a critical condition, she wouldn't have dashed to the beach to see him. The housemates, despite Ella's mistake, had contributed much to the mom's surgery and was expecting a feedback from Ella. Even when Kim had asked for the hospital location, Ella couldn't say anything. She practically switched off on them. This made the housemates conclude Ella must have scammed everyone with the spurious story of her mother's ill health. Benita ended her diatribe by saying that Ella was deceitful and had 5 personalities. She was thus fed up with her inconsistency. The house was heated up after Venita's outburst. Ebuka was already feeling sorry for Ella, because her face was red with anger. Family issues to him were personal, but he had it on Ella's issue because she took it to the public first. Since it's a public affair, it's actually necessary for Ella to speak up and tell well-meaning Nigerians who contributed to her mother's well-being how everything panned out. Ella, in her defense, said she would never put out her mother's picture to the public. She would never. She felt it was stupid if anybody had expected her to put out her mother's sick pictures out there. To him, that her mother and family were mad at her initially for dragging the matter outside. Ebuka insisted that she switched off when she got what she wanted. Ella said no, that she was making out time to be with her mother. She literally heard her mom scream in the theater because her high blood pressure wasn't normal. Diane interjected, telling her that they were all concerned because they wanted to be more supportive. At least her family would know she had people around. Ebuka still maintained that was blowing things out of proportion. She should at least appreciate the fact that her colleague came through for her. Mercy Lambo wasn't happy with Ella's unruly attitude. Ella even had to go to beg her friend for financial assistance too, even when they had helped her. Mercy wasn't happy about that because it looked like they were jotisoning Ella. The truth of the matter was that Ella isn't truthful with all that transpired between them. She was only interested in having a singles release and that's all. Because of her inconsistency, Mercy had to ask her whether she do drugs. She said she didn't do drugs. Commenting on the issue, Sadi still maintained that the fact that they were mad at the fact that Ella didn't tell them of her predicaments before taking the matter to the public. Even when Kim asked of the hospital name and location, Ella was silent. She went off the radar. Kim was not happy too, considering the nature of Ella's mom's sickness, which was hereditary. She was equally concerned for Ella and her family. They were doing everything possible to make sure they assessed her and Ella, but Ella closed down on them. Ella still insisted that her mother was angry and disappointed that her pictures were going viral on blogs. Her mom wanted everything to be private. However, so long as her mom is currently fine, she doesn't give a damn. Joe was like they wouldn't want to go and visit Ella's mom at the hospital. They could have sent some delegates to go visit and reach out. Ella by now had already walked away, blueberrying. She later walked in, her face reddened with rage. The housemates did calm her down. Ebuka had to bring the show to an abrupt end. Okay, my general observation. Ella was really cleared by her colleagues because of her questionable character. How do you solicit for funds from public and shut down afterwards without being grateful? It's preposterous. Her accent was annoying. She should be her true self than faking it. Venita was the real pepper yesterday. Damn, it was hot. Yesterday's show was really hot and intriguing. Today promises much more and I anticipate. Watch out for this space on YouTube. If this is your first time on viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. So guys, tell me what are your thoughts on the events that occurred on the day 5 of the BBNaija Pepper Dem reunion show. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.